A chaotic scene unfolded at the Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport Friday night when authorities say a man armed with a machete and a can of wasp spray ran through the airport.
This guy comes running with a machete over his head, swinging it through security.
Everyone in the area, as you can imagine, started screaming. We all got down on the floor.
Police say 62-year-old Richard White, a taxi driver, walked into the security checkpoint, pulled out a can of wasp spray, and began spraying several TSA agents, as well as several passengers being processed at the checkpoint.
He proceeded past that checkpoint and encountered the second TSA officer and a third TSA officer. He sprayed the male in the face. He struck the female with a machete that he pulled out.
A Boston Globe columnist in the crowd described the chaos on Twitter. Lots of terrified people, women crying. Everyone was hiding behind chairs and in doorways. A law enforcement officer on the scene fired 3 shots at White, striking him in the chest, face, and thigh. White was then taken to the hospital for surgery, where as of Saturday morning, WWNO reports he's unresponsive. A TSA officer and a bystander were also hit in the shooting. The Times-Picayune reports both had non-life-threatening injuries. Authorities say they don't believe White posed any threat to national security, but are investigating. CNN reports he had no significant criminal history, aside from some disturbing the peace charges and traffic tickets. New Orleans Mayor Mitch Landrieu said Friday night the situation was under control and the airport was secure. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn. Multiple sources, a broader view.